open source. So basically, what is open source? Open source means software whose source code is open to everyone. Anyone can see the code, use it, modify it, improve it, and share it. There is no restriction for a single company. The power is with the community and with the users. So open source software is developed in a transparent way. Developers from different companies, countries, and backgrounds work together to continuously improve the software. So, as I said in the slogan, open source is freedom to choose, freedom to modify, and freedom to innovate. So, open source simply means freedom. Freedom to use the software, freedom to study how it works, freedom to modify it according to your needs, and freedom to share it with others. In open source software, the code is publicly available. This allows business to full control their system, avoid vendor dependency, and benefit from innovation created by the global community. It's secure, flexible, cost effective, and future ready. So if you can see on the screen, there are some day-to-day softwares which we are using it on our daily basis, like Google Chrome, Mozilla, VLC. So these are the open source software which we are using it on daily basis, but we are not aware of that these are the open source software. So some of the examples of open source software. All right. I hope you got the clarity on the open source.